Yeah, so this will be a mini trial, should I say, no? Because the full-blown trial will happen in the Senate.
Prosecution has been very consistent that what we did in the Committee on Justice of the House of Representatives is never a mini trial.
Yeah, so this will be a mini trial, should I say, no? Because the full-blown trial will happen in the Senate.
Prosecution has been very consistent that what we did in the Committee on Justice of the House of Representatives is never a mini trial.
Napakahalaga po sa bawat pagdinig ay yung nagsasabi ng katotohanan. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Opo. Pagka ang isang witness po ay naging halimbawa ng paiba-iba ang sinasabi, ano pong tawag dito? Di ba po kasinungalingan?
This is a hypothetical question,
Apo.
Your Honor. You are not referring to any particular witness?
Si Las Cañas po. Yung inyo pong pinakitang affidavit,
Your Honor?
alam niyo po, hindi pa po ako tapos, kaibigan. Alam niyo po, napakalungkot po para sa amin na marinig na merong kayong ibinigay na affidavit na nabahiran dito po sa loob ng Senado. Dito sa plenaryo ng Senado ay nabahiran ng matinding masasabi nating kasinungalingan sapagkat magkaiba ang kanyang sinabi. October 3, ano ang tawag sa taong paiba-iba ang sinasabi? Di ba po sinungaling?
May I answer, Your Honor?
Opo, opo.
Kagaya po ng aking binigyang linaw kanina. At paulit-ulit na rin pong sinabi ng ating presiding officer.
Pakisagot na lang po kasi yun lang po ang tanong. Tama po ba o mali na tawaging sinungaling ang taong iba-iba ang sinasabi?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, but I need to qualify my answer.
Mr. Presiding Officer, isang simpleng tanong lang po.
The lead prosecutor may agree or disagree or state a different characterization. I can state a different characterization if I'm asked by the good Senator Judge. You may disagree or agree with the
Your
statement
Honor.
of the Honorable Senator Judge Padilla. Feel free to say no or yes, Counsel.
Kagalang-galang ng mga senator judges at sa atin pong mga nanonood na kababayan. Dahil binanggit po ng kagalang-galang na Senador Robin Padilla ang pangalan at ang affidavit ni Arturo Las Cañas, nais ko pong linawin ang kanina ko pong manifestasyon. Ito po ay ipresenta sa impeachment court bilang bahagi ng
Presiding
testimonya ng
Officer,
witness.
hindi pa din po sinasagot ang
Lead prosecutor, the response, it's not responsive to the question of Senator Judge Padilla. Allow me to, if the good Senator Judge will allow the presiding officer, pwede ba nating sabihin, lead prosecutor, na ang testigong pabago-bago ang kanyang testimonya sa magkakaibang petsa o araw o panahon ay isang testigong hindi maaasahan?
Without particular reference to Arturo Las
Sa
Cañas,
pangkalahatan,
I agree with you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Posible nagsisinungaling siya sa isa, nagsasabi ng totoo sa isa, o nagsisinungaling sa isa, nagsasabi ng totoo sa isa, hindi na natin malalaman yun. Tama po ba yan?
Without particular reference to Arturo Las Cañas, I agree with you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, aming ginoong
You may proceed,
tagapamahalang
Senator
hukom.
Judge Padilla.
Yeah, so this will be a mini trial, should I say, no? Because the full-blown trial will happen in the Senate.
Prosecution has been very consistent that what we did in the Committee on Justice of the House of Representatives is never a mini trial. It is a clarificatory hearing consistent to the House rules on impeachment.
Yeah, so this will be a mini trial, should I say, no? Because the full-blown trial will happen in the Senate.
Prosecution has been very consistent that what we did in the Committee on Justice of the House of Representatives is never a mini trial.